There are 8 different species of bears across the world with a conservation status ranging from vulnerable to least concern. Depending on the bear species, habitats include North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and the northernmost polar regions. While not ordinarily a threat to humans, bears are animals that can be very dangerous if startled, provoked, or approached when young bears, cubs, are present. Top bear facts: while considered a carnivorous species, most bears eat vegetation as their primary food source. In fact, just 10% of a grizzly bear's diet is meat. Polar bears are on average not just the largest bear species, but also the largest carnivorous land animal on Earth. Do not try to outrun a bear. Black bears can run up to 35 miles per hour, which is significantly faster than the fastest human ever. Even larger grizzly bears can reach speeds that top 30 miles per hour. Many bear experts believe bears can smell from up to 20 miles away. Types of bear: the 8 different bear species. There are 8 unique species of bears that vary in size, appearance, and food preference. You can predominantly find them throughout North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. The bear species types include Asiatic black bear, Asian black bear. The Asiatic black bear, also referred to as the moon bear, is primarily an herbivore bear species found predominantly in southern Asia, Afghanistan, and parts of Japan. They are often found in trees in mountainous areas. Brown bear, the brown bear, also referred to as the grizzly bear, is found in North America, Asia, and Europe. They are most notable by the humps that rest over their shoulders and massive brown physique. These bear species are the least likely to become extinct of all the bears at this time. North American black bear. The North American black bear can be found from northern Canada to central Mexico. It does not have a climate preference. They will even feed on prickly pear cactus. This bear species prefers mountainous regions. However, you will find them in meadows and wetlands, too. Polar bear. Polar bears are only found in the Arctic region surrounding the North Pole. They travel by floating glacial ice blocks. As these ice packs melt, the threat to the existence of polar bears increases, making them highly susceptible to extinction. Spectacled bear. The spectacled bear, also referred to as the Andean bear, enjoys spending time in trees. They are the only bear species to reside in South America. These bears are vulnerable to extinction due to human killing for profit and due to mythology. Panda bear. The panda bear might be the most well-known bear on the planet due to their perceived adorable appearance. They primarily feast on bamboo in central China. Panda bears are considered endangered due to demand on the black market. Sloth bear. The sloth bear receives its namesake due to the similarities of the sloth animal. The long snout allows them to consume prey not typically associated with bears, including ants and termites. Sloth bears are found in India and Sri Lanka. Sun bear. Sun bears are distinctive due to their cream, crescent markings on their chest. As they often eat bees' nests, they are commonly referred to as honey bears. You can find them in Malaysia and Indonesia, and they are vulnerable to extinction due to deforestation. Bear scientific names. The family name for the bear species is Ursidae, and Ursus is the genus, which means bear in Latin. The following are the 8 bear genus species of the bear family: Asiatic black bear, Solenectus thiobetanus; brown bear, Ursus arctos; North American black bear, Ursus americanus; polar bear, Ursus maritimus; spectacled bear, Tremarctos ornatus; panda bear, Ailuropoda melanoleuca; sloth bear, Melissus ursinus; sun bear, Electus malayanus. Bear appearance and behavior. Bears are distinctive by their fur-based bodies and strong claws. Some climb trees and others swim. Certain bear subspecies have even more distinctive markings around the eyes and on their chest that set them apart from the others. Various species of bears have adapted to their environments over time. For example, polar bears are white to blend in with the snow, and North American black bears have versatile eating habits that include corn crops and cactus depending on their region of residence. All bears have an acute sense of smell, hearing, and sight. They often hear and smell humans before they see humans and flee as a result. Bears are solitary creatures by nature. However, mothers and cubs will travel together, and bears will travel in pairs during mating seasons. Many species of bears will hibernate for long periods to save energy during winters when prey and other food sources are in short supply. Bear will hibernate in locations such as caves, hollowed-out trees, holes they dig in the ground, and dens that bears have dug in prior years. Prior to hibernating, bears will become hyperphagic, which means they'll eat excessively to build energy reserves. For example, Himalayan black bears will reach up to 400 pounds before they hibernate. That's significantly higher than their normal weight, which is between 200 and 265 pounds. The geographic regions of bear species are as diverse as their appearance. Most bear species prefer to live within the canopy of a dense forest. You can find bears throughout North America, Europe, Asia and Africa. They never made it to the Antarctic or Australia. While bears are curious by nature, many times, if they hear or smell a human, they will hide up a tree. Some bears prefer higher elevations, such as the Asiatic black bear, and others prefer coastal regions, such as polar bears. You will even find bears in desert climates, including the spectacled bears and American black bears. Bear populations that are unable to adapt to new habitats are vulnerable to extinction as their current homes are destroyed for development and for lumber. Bears have proven they can survive on almost anything. Most bears eat vegetation, such as the panda bear eats bamboo. However, many North American bears have adapted to their environments and will eat other animals and fish, including elk, caribou and salmon. The polar bear, also referred to as the maritime bear, is a carnivorous animal as they typically eat seals, as well as whales and smaller walruses on occasion. And the sloth bear survives on ants and termites. A growing concern exists for bears eating human food as it causes them to destroy property and even break into homes to seek out more of the same. Eventually, these bears are put down as they become an increasing threat to humans. This tragic result is avoidable as long as humans do not feed wild bears. On rare occasions, bears will eat a poisonous plant by mistake and die. Other than that, bears can eat almost anything to live. Today, all bear species are somewhat susceptible to extinction. Some bear species are more vulnerable than others. Asiatic black bears, polar bears, panda bears, sloth bears and sun bears are all considered vulnerable to extinction.